So this is my presentation of assistive technology, and I chose to address parents. So first we need to discuss what is assistive technology, also known as AT. According to the Individuals with Disability Education Improvement Act, or the IDEA, AT is any piece of equipment or product system, whether acquired commercially off the shelf, modified, or customized, that is used to increase, maintain, or improve the functional capabilities with children with disabilities. Assistive technology is considered an umbrella term and therefore has two parts of it called AT device and AT service. So in AT, there's this thing called AT Continuum, and the AT Continuum is a layout for the progressive sophistication of AT. It starts with no low tech and goes to high tech. Examples of no low tech are pencil grips, glasses, magnetic letters, and highlighters. Examples of mid tech would be audiobooks, closed captioning, and calculators. Example of high tech would be iPads, motorized wheelchairs, chair lifts, and smartboards. So why is assistive technology important? In the classroom, AT serves the purpose of helping students bridge the gap between any obstacles they face and meeting their goals. It can also help them with communication and navigation around the classroom. The IEP team. The Individualized Education Program, or the IEP team, must consider AT as a tool to ensure that a student receives a free and appropriate education. The team must first identify the student's needs and tasks they will need to perform, and ask a series of questions including, does the student need AT to meaningfully participate and progress in the general curriculum? The question is then asked, does the child need assistive technology, devices, and/or services? Check yes or no. If yes, then the child moves to the AT assessment process, where they are assessed on which AT will help them succeed. So this is my infographic, so if you click it, it'll go to the website where you can blow it up and look at it more closely.